now that Larry, her husband, is actually in custody, it's hit hard.
Larry Millete appeared before a judge just days after his arrest for murder.
Millete was taken into custody at his South Bay home on Tuesday, more than 9 months after his wife Maya went missing. Though her body has not been found, he was arraigned on a murder charge today.
News 8's Shannon Handy has details on what happened during today's court hearing. Shannon?
Marcella and Kirsten, it was an emotional day inside the courtroom for Maya's family and supporters who attended the hearing. Now, the hearing lasted only about 5 minutes, during which time Larry Millete denied killing his wife.
Our first matter is the people of the state of California versus Larry Millete.
Larry Millete appeared stoic during his arraignment hearing Thursday as he was officially charged with 1 count each of illegal possession of an assault weapon and murder.
I would like to enter a plea of not guilty.
Larry spoke only to his attorney or when asked a question by the judge, confirming he waived his rights to a speedy trial.
Do you give up that right so that we can set dates outside of those time limitations as requested by your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
At one point, his attorney requested the judge speak louder, saying Larry has a hearing problem.
My client is having a little bit of hardship in hearing. He's hearing impaired in one of his ears. Oh, he said just a little louder, Your Honor. All right, thank you. I'll comply with that request.
A protection order against Larry was also granted by the judge, though she did not name the parties involved. Members of Maya's family attended the hearing. Some cried as they sat in the front row. Also there, a group of volunteers who have spent the past 9.5 months looking for Maya. Her body still hasn't been found.
It's heartbreaking. Like, they shouldn't have to hear this. Maya deserves to be here with them. And it's unfortunate the holidays are coming up and they're realizing that she won't be here with them. And that's definitely heartbreaking.
Maya was last seen January 7th at her Chula Vista area home. Investigators believe Larry disposed of her body on January 8th when they say he disappeared for 11 hours with their 4-year-old son, though they've been unable to pinpoint a specific area, saying he left his phone at home. According to the district attorney's office, the evidence collected so far is all circumstantial, but enough to prove Larry killed Maya. They shared some of that information following his arrest Tuesday, including the fact Maya contacted a divorce attorney the day she went missing, and Larry didn't show up for work.
We're hoping now that Larry is in custody, the community does feel more comfortable to speak out about anything you may have seen, anything that you heard.
Larry is being held without bail, though his attorney did request a bail review hearing, which is set for November. Meanwhile, a vigil for Maya is planned tomorrow night at 6 o'clock at San Miguel Park. Volunteers plan to search for Maya on Saturday.
All right, Shannon, thanks. Today's arraignment comes during Domestic Violence Awareness Month. Coming up new in our next half hour, how the district attorney's office is helping make it a little easier for families to break the abusive cycle.